thought I'd put a few tips together on successful recycling of clay. So I'm going to keep all of this water that I'm taking out. I'm going to put it back into the bucket and use it on the next batch, recycling the water as well. But mostly it's recycling all the fine particles. So you can see it's not clean water anymore, is it? And especially here, taking out some of the fine particles, and you want to keep all the different sized particles. How many times can I say particles? And then you want to mix, and mix it a lot. Keep mixing. It just makes it a little easier to wedge at the end as well once it's dried. You can use the bucket of water to clean up the tools. Yeah, and then put it onto a plaster bat to dry out.